The big day is almost here. That's right, Black Friday. As we approach one of the busiest shopping times of the year, we wanted to have a look at recent numbers and general statistics surrounding Black Friday and Cyber Monday. These 2 days have become synonymous with deep discounts, massive sales, and buying frenzies. While the trend originated in the United States, it has since made its way around the globe and has become somewhat of an unofficial kickoff to the holiday shopping season. Dating back to the mid-1900s, Black Friday is typically held on the fourth Friday in November or the day after American Thanksgiving. Cyber Monday, on the other hand, is a more recent phenomenon. The term was coined by the National Retail Federation in 2005. It falls on the Monday following Thanksgiving and was initially meant to encourage online shopping, offering exclusive deals that were only available online. US shopping data released by Adobe has revealed that Cyber Monday came out on top in 2022 and drove a record-breaking $11.3 billion in online spending compared to Black Friday's $9.12 billion for the day. At its peak, Cyber Monday shoppers spent 12.8 million per minute during the hours between 8 p.m. and 9 p.m. Pacific time. Throughout the duration of Cyber Week, consumers spent a total of $35.3 billion, which is up 4% year over year. So, what do people spend their money on during Black Friday and Cyber Monday sales? In Shopify's most recent yearly recap, top product categories include clothing and accessories, followed by health and beauty and home and garden. Of its $7.5 billion in sales worldwide, Shopify merchants saw a trend in how customers were completing their purchases in 2022. 73% of sales were made on mobile devices, such as smartphones and iPads, compared to only 27% of purchases being made on a desktop. Bonus points if you're selling products through an app. Consumers find shopping using a mobile app more appealing than filtering and browsing through products on a website. If these numbers don't surprise you, this next bit of information won't surprise you either. Most Black Friday and Cyber Monday shopping is done online as opposed to in-store. In addition to the obvious perks of shopping online, including convenience and avoiding large crowds, many consumers anticipate getting better deals online. In a recent survey, shoppers confirmed that they expect to find deeper discounts online than by visiting a physical store in product categories across the board. When searching for the best deals, shoppers will be heading to social media and Google to find what they're looking for. Marketers are wise to consider upping their paid ad budgets this time of year while promoting their most exciting discounts across their social media platforms. When it comes to geographical location, London, Los Angeles, and New York City are among the top cities, while the United States, United Kingdom, and Canada rank as the highest-selling countries worldwide. So, are you ready to take your piece of the holiday shopping pie? If so, let us know how you've been preparing in the comments. And of course, what will you be buying this year?